They say the Amazon has a silent king, a ruler whose presence is felt more than seen, a shadow that glides through the dense canopy, with eyes that hold the forest's oldest secrets. This is not a myth. This is the Harpy Eagle. For the next 10 minutes, prepare to meet the most powerful aerial predator on Earth, a creature so majestic and fearsome it blurs the line between animal and legend. You are about to enter the court of the Amazon's true monarch. Stay with us as we unveil the story of the Harpy Eagle, deep within the emerald heart of the Amazon, where the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and life untamed. A golden light pierces the morning mist. This is a world shrouded in mystery, a vertical kingdom of colossal trees and hanging vines. From the deep, cool shadows of this cathedral of green, a figure emerges, not with a roar, but with a silent, imposing grace. The Harpy Eagle awakens. Its massive wings, spanning over 2 meters, spread wide, catching the first rays of dawn. Each feather is a masterpiece of evolution, designed for silence and for power. The Harpy Eagle glides effortlessly, a dark specter above the endless sea of green. Its eyes, ancient and knowing, are fixed on the world below. To witness the Harpy Eagle in its domain is to see the very spirit of the wild made manifest, raw, regal, and utterly untamed. It is a living testament to nature's most magnificent and formidable designs, a king surveying his vast emerald empire. The forest holds its breath as the ruler begins his morning patrol, a silent promise of the raw drama that is about to unfold in the world below. The true power of the Harpy Eagle is not just in its size, but in its gaze. The eagle's eyes pierce through the dense jungle mist with an intensity that is both mesmerizing and terrifying. They are orbs of brilliant yellow, fierce, unblinking, and utterly focused. These are not merely organs of sight. They are precision instruments of the hunt. Perched high in the canopy, those eyes can spot prey as small as a squirrel from hundreds of feet below, through a labyrinth of leaves and branches. They hold a profound patience, the calm of a sovereign who knows its power is absolute, yet they also contain a simmering, predatory fire, the gaze of a ruler that never hesitates, never doubts. Through the eyes of the Harpy Eagle, the Amazon's deepest secrets are revealed. In their reflection, you can see the teeming life of the forest, the intricate dance of predator and prey, the very soul of this wild, untamed world. It is a gaze that has been honed over millennia, a window into the pure, unfiltered essence of nature's law. To meet that stare is to understand what it means to be at the absolute pinnacle of the food chain. If the eyes are the eagle's reconnaissance, its talons are the weapons of a king. These are not simply claws. They are nature's most formidable instruments of capture and dispatch. The talons of the Harpy Eagle are as large as a grizzly bear's claws, a set of 4 daggers on each foot, honed to razor sharpness. Each one can exert a crushing force of over 50 kilograms, enough to fracture the bones of a sloth or a monkey with a single decisive clench. When the Harpy Eagle strikes, it is an act of breathtaking violence and precision. It descends from the canopy in a blur of feathers and fury, a silent missile of intent. The moment of impact is almost soundless. There is no struggle, no prolonged fight. Its hands are instruments of absolute precision. Its grip is final. The sheer power contained within these talons is a sobering reminder of nature's capacity for lethal efficiency. They are the tools that enforce the eagle's rule, the final word in any encounter, embodying the raw physical dominance of the Amazon's silent monarch. The Harpy Eagle is the embodiment of the perfect predator. It does not rely on brute force alone. Its strategy is one of stealth, patience, and explosive action. For hours it can wait among the ancient, moss-covered branches, perfectly still, a feathered statue blending seamlessly into the dappled light and shadow of the canopy. In this stillness it is not idle. It listens, its keen senses attuned to the symphony of the forest. It can distinguish the heartbeat of its domain, the frantic scuttling of a monkey, the cautious rustle of an unseen agouti on the forest floor. Every sound tells a story, and the eagle reads them all. Then, in an instant, the stillness is broken. The decision is made. The Harpy Eagle dives. Its powerful wings slice the air with a faint whisper, its body a streamlined projectile of muscle and feathers, its talons extended like a grappling hook ready to find its mark. The jungle, which moments before was alive with sound, suddenly goes silent. In that quiet, a decree has been issued and carried out. The king has spoken, not with a voice, but with an action that reverberates through the entire ecosystem. Every hunt performed by the Harpy Eagle is not an act of random violence. It is a vital act that restores and maintains the delicate balance of its kingdom. The eagle's role is often misunderstood as one of cruelty, but in the grand theater of the wild, it is the impartial executor of the law of life and death. The eagle doesn't hunt for sport. It hunts for survival, and in doing so, it performs a crucial ecological service. By preying on animals like sloths and monkeys, it helps control their populations, preventing them from over-consuming the vegetation and disrupting the forest's health. The Harpy Eagle typically takes the unwary, the slow, or the weak, ensuring that only the strongest and most alert individuals of the prey species survive to pass on their genes. This is the unwritten rule of natural selection, and the eagle is its most majestic enforcer. Its silence in the canopy is not emptiness. It is the sound of harmony. Its deadly strike is not an end, but a part of a continuous cycle that keeps the jungle vibrant, resilient, and strong. But even the mightiest king can face a threat it cannot conquer alone. The Harpy Eagle, a predator without equal in the natural world, now faces its greatest and most relentless adversary, humans. The sound of the chainsaw echoes farther than the eagle's cry. With every ancient tree that falls to make way for logging, agriculture, or mining, a piece of the Harpy Eagle's home disappears forever. Its vast kingdom is being fragmented, broken into isolated patches of forest that cannot sustain its need for extensive hunting grounds. The eagle's cry, once a symbol of wild authority, grows faint, a lament for a vanishing world. The once proud monarch now survives in hidden sanctuaries and protected reserves, a king in exile within its own realm. Seeing a Harpy Eagle perched on the skeletal branch of a dead tree in a deforested landscape is a heartbreaking sight. It is a powerful, tragic symbol of what we stand to lose, a testament to the fragility of even the strongest among us when faced with the relentless march of human expansion. Long before scientists studied its biology, the Harpy Eagle was revered as a being of immense spiritual power. To the ancient tribes of the Amazon, this was no ordinary bird. It was a divine messenger, a creature that bridged the worlds. They saw in the Harpy Eagle, as magnificent wings, the connection between the earthly realm of the jungle and the celestial plane of the heavens. Its ability to soar high above the canopy, to see all that transpired below, and to descend with godlike power made it a living deity. Shamans sought its feathers, believing they held healing powers and a connection to the spirit world. Even now, the legend of the Harpy Eagle endures. It stands as a powerful symbol of resilience in the face of adversity, of raw, untamed power, and of the eternal balance that governs the natural world. Its spirit soars far beyond the disappearing trees. The sky remembers its king, and in the hearts of those who fight for the Amazon, its legacy is a call to action, a reminder of the sacred wildness we must protect. As dusk settles over the Amazon, painting the sky in fiery strokes of orange and purple, the Harpy Eagle takes flight one more time. It cuts across the burning horizon, a perfect silhouette of power, grace, and enduring majesty. This is the king returning to his throne, a silent guardian watching over his realm as it settles into the night. Its reign is not one of fear, but a profound and necessary balance, a living, breathing reminder that the wild endures, that its laws are ancient, and its spirit is unbreakable. The story of the Harpy Eagle is a story of nature at its most awe-inspiring. If you believe in the importance of protecting nature's true kings, if the spirit of this magnificent creature has moved you, subscribe to Hidden Wild. Join us in our mission to tell the stories that matter. Let us ensure that the Harpy Eagle does not become a legend of the past, but continues to rise again and again as the rightful, silent king of the Amazon.